Hi, my name is Bill Raggio at Rayotek Scientific, and I'd like to talk about site windows, specifically how they fail. Because in understanding how a site window fails, we can design a better, safer site window. It all starts with a customer contacting the manufacturer, specifically their engineering team. They work with the engineering team to co-engineer the best site window for their application. Once the engineering is complete, he goes to manufacturing, who manufactures the site window to the engineered specifications. Once they've been properly manufactured, proper packaging is essential. It's important to package to avoid any contact with any hard objects, or more importantly, the site windows don't hit each other during shipping. Shipping can damage the site windows and make them unsafe. Once the parts have been shipped, it's important that the customer understand proper handling techniques and how to inspect the windows. Inspection should be for both cosmetic and dimensional accuracy. The customer can refer to manufactured supplied information to learn how to properly handle their site window and inspect it. Inspection is essential because something could have happened during shipping that could have damaged the site windows. If there's anything that comes up that concerns the customer, they should contact the manufacturer. Once the inspection step is complete and the customer is confident the site windows are meeting their expectations, it's time to install the site window. It's important that the customer educate themselves and understand the manufacturer's installation instructions supplied with the site windows or provided online. Installation, or I should say improper installation, is the #1 reason why site windows fail. So read your instructions carefully, install the site windows properly, and the site window will work safely and reliably for many years. To watch more exciting videos, click on the link below.